embra Rebecca said last year. Breaking news by say Aban Egu Capital Bank no. Nkrofo bebre eba abonten ebeka say senior aye no was say Aban prosecute womo a womo Egu Capital Bank no. Answer the better to subscribe and clicking notification bell and know any dial screen so see we understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Say Aban emayeti as say Capital Bank senior Egu no and senior Capital Bank Egu ye no and they say impenyiphobia na was say wo mo share the affairs of Capital Bank no ye beka say nkrofo de musika akoto wo say wo mo DCV e wo bank impenyiphobia e wo say wo mo share sa ade no wo mo discan ekoye wo mo angasa wo mo nyama eno hunti e na bank no eguye. That was the reason the government gave to us. Na emba government ebe ma sa reason no na Ghana phone ye ka say inti sa yesa na bank na egu asabe then na government mo ye ene san penifo no monye na monchi omuntumo na san penifo no na nipa ba kwa waka ho pa Mensa Otabil, Pastor Mensa Otabil. Ati ase inti ane ye beka say Dr. Mensa Otabil title na de ehia inti no na nkrofo eka say enya monye na monchi na a lot of people campaigned against and I beka say a lot of people so beka ya ebi mo ba online ebe ye I stand with Mensa Otabil. Ebi mo so be campaigning against ono obi ana wo campaigning against Mensa Otabil pa one love the kubolo ono mpo ye ndwoma na wo frɛ Mensa Otabil julo kwakwe that is say Otabil ye kronfo because senior Aban ema Ghana fo ni ate ase say impenifo na wo mote Capital Bank board ne so no wo mo na wo mo diska omo de nkrofo sika wo mo ekosivi wo bank sa impenifo na diska na akoto wo mo anka so wo mo japade bi wo abrochi na nyama ama bank no egu intino uyo obi a wote sa asem from government ne kana ubu ebefu wachi ase inti na ye ne ayeti ho obi enim se ase Aban enye na je so wo be prosecute omo because na nkofo ka se eye kronosem eye se bi wo bi ene ko wi abroad a na ka mo ba esa mo de dipakon ekokota kochi na atum obi ne ko wi abibi anka mba esa mo de ne ekokota kochi na atum ti ade na sabe impenifo we ya mususu se wo mo wi aska kesiese ana wo mo misuse ska kesiese ade na mo nchi omo entum na last year ye hwani mu Aban amma indication bia se ye the impenifo of this Capital Bank ebeko court na this year ena one of yebeka say a major shareholder wono kind of started the idea of the Capital Bank no ni din the Atu Asian William Atu Asian for the very first time Capital Bank guye no oba good evening Ghana ena wone po Adom Otre ebeka sai ena wo reveal secrets na secret wo reveal no na ya kwaye say Aban ene sabotage omo because woma yeti ase say even the finance minister some time ago na dwen say nanka wo pese water Capital Bank no inti wo mayeti asese se Aban sesia Aban interest Capital Bank sebe wo mo di nkrofo sika aden enaka finance minister why na dwen say nanka wo pese water Capital Bank inti wo be reveal secret we ni na akoye say Atu Asian pese what say the entia Aban egu Capital Bank no and say ye ni aye nim say finance minister no ne bank ankasa data bank intina the ngrofo can say they are buying go in the finance minister no sha na Capital Bank for money competition too much and aside that no we na dwen so better Capital Bank a wo mo empini no enu hunti na wo gu no na wo show letter finance minister trauma and cry na wo person what say finance minister no person what Capital Bank no this matter came out and na ngrofo can say ebia they are buying better and say Mensa Otabil mu wiaska ana Mensa Otabil mu misusing gofosika and na Capital Bank no egu ye no ebia eno kra ye ntro because for the very first time wobi wonim nsem ni mu ana obi a ono so what the other side no kasa because always na Aban side na yete asem no free. We weren't hearing from the other side because Mensa Otabil wasn't speaking on this. No one was speaking on this until say William Atu Asian. Rebecca said, I think it was just this month and Oba Bontin and last month and Oba Bontin or this answer ebetuja. Now or didn't say we betuja no obviously we are buying na Kenya ode. And do 1 week any who say Aban Asia a year William Atu Forcing and some other two people are court say ye de omo akokot se be wo mo misuse Ghana ska na wo hwe charges a ye de bo mo a etiefo enye easy na ya swa charges no bo mo say so some Ghanaians were happy say we were calling for this last year because muna most years nkrofo we misuse sebe nkrofo sika misuse Ghana fo sika inti se mo atena ho sa ma nkrofo mu fo mu nkokot na afa mu de omo kokota na Ghana fo bebre ni age say finally mu de omo kokot na omo a wo mo de beye politics nso kan say abranta ne yes obeyi aban to say aban mo aheda na mo close ni down because finance minister no person otona say nti na mo aheda asesa na court no na etie for court no wo call no na bail a eda no so enye easy. I think the bill was about 250 million Ghana cedis but still when you bail woni nkrofo a wo mo kan no wo mo nya bail a etie for na enya asem kuma na ende de yete se ato esia no na mo sha ase efri ne so because ono na se be wo ba bonte meka sai de yete ende and said Dr. Mensa Otabil we founder and general overseer of ICGC no abankra ya adwen na aban ya na adwen say wo be shia Dr. Mensa Otabil so ayeden akokot because Capital Bank impanyifo board chairman no mo na mo make decision no na Mensa Otabil waka ho nti se bank no sebe wo mo eyisu nkrofo sika na tese Mensa Otabil so nim hu bi etiefo nti de yete and say aban ya na adwen say what the Mensa Otabil so ebeko court na obi a what the assembly ebetu dwa a financial consultants bi wasanso obi a watra de pen Ghana Banking College na ye friend Dr. Richmond etia hene ono na what the assembly etu dwa say enye Mensa Otabil pen Mensa Otabil plus 46 other people yesusu say they were directors of the collapsed financial institutions womo ena trese ye be se so mo akokot etiefo intino chese otuno se asem kese eba pa na the latest on this me de bebro Dr. Richmond etua hene wakasa OKFM adeache bia program ne so ena trese we explaining sem mancrofo ti ase say wo ma adwen kra se pa akwesi ndum kra ene Mensa Otabil no wo ma anhwe ya bomutu betwi because ye de omo beko ati ase because wo mo say aban ama wo mo assurance ono wo yo bia na wo tra de Ghana Banking College wasanso yo bia wo ye financial consultant nti what information bia se be ye kra ye nti wo say aban ama wo mu bi assurance say nkrofo say Mensa Otabil any other directors of the other institutions that said be egu ye no ye pesesa wo mo akokot because wo mususu say ye de omo kokota ye betumi age customers ni sika efri omo ho because sisi a aban ye begu Capital Bank no sika na customers no edekoto ho no aban na sisi a wo betia o na ye ka say aban na wo betia aban ni de oniske bia o ye me ne wo ye sika ena chese aban edibetia sa nkrofo we no nti taxpayers money nti sebe se muna mo se nkrofo bi ena sika no wo mo ye ne basa wo mo wi aska no na so mo wi aska na afa mo nchi o mo ntum na obe taxpayer mum masanso echi abioma na chese aban in a way you are not being fair to me nti no eno ene asema etie for eba eno ene nsema eba me pesa mo tre mo adwen wo comment box ni mu na interesting days ahead na senior me din kan tell no ato esie no he's facing 26 counts of conspiracy, stealing and money laundering. Not to say so why they are born no enye easy 26 counts na onanka sangasa no wo ba good evening Ghana show ne so no answer na aban ede ne be court no wono ankasa e ma yeti asese wono ankasa kra de aban akokot de da se senia aban egu ne company no yenye wo bebia enye fair enye ade a esi na nkenye se aban eye ne sa because isi ade nkrofo e kan ne se aban egu company no aban ye na adwen se wo betia se be wo mo ana wo musika e wo ho na wo hwe sika aban edigu ya na nka aban e de share sa company we asekra na nka still company ne begina eno ne nsema nkrofo e kan intino ebi musu esusu se eya burapayo e na aban wode ye den wode egu company no but me so asema me pesa me kan say indeed if it's true say nkrofo we misappropriate funds of a year their customers are you don't expect say aban this car ebe show mo ase ne biom, because obviously it means say won be hu eho as a gold pit. They be won be misuse funds of the customers na ayo mutrim say oh aban ongu yem da aban bebem na aban betua mo wate ase nti no eno so ne asema eda ho mo nche mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da ase.